Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something super fun that I am very, very excited about. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. I was watching the Masse boys do their 12 days of Christmas pours, and they had done a mandala pour earlier. And I've seen several artists. Dirty Artist did an amazing mandala that was so beautiful that she'd embellished. And I started thinking about it and looking for one that was really cool. And I found this one. This is from a shop on Etsy called The Pine Canvas. I will link it in the description box for you. But this is a beautiful turtle, and it's nice and thick. It's about an inch thick, as you can see, and it's got this gorgeous mandala pattern cut out of it. So I'm hoping that because these lines are actually thicker, it's going to work better than if they are thinner. So that's what we're going to be pouring on today. I'll show you my colors really quick, and then we're going to get started. This first one is Arteza's Pearl Sapphire Blue. Gorgeous color. And we also have Arteza's Pearl Pistachio. And to this one I have added a little bit of DecoArt Extreme Sheen Pearl. So just lightened it up just a touch because I'm not using a white with this. This is Golden's Permanent Violet Deep. Dark? Deep or dark? My favorite colors ever. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. And I also have Golden's Prussian Blue. Another favorite. And our favorite DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. So, and Lee from Masse Art Studio also sent me one of Mixed Media Girls' split cups. So this one has two sides, and we're going to layer this, and then we're going to pour it on top of the turtle. So I'm very excited about this one. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's see. I'm going to start this side with a little bit of gold. And then some Prussian blue. And a nice shot of the pistachio. And some sapphire. And some of the permanent violet dark. And another shot of gold. Some Prussian. Pistachio again, sapphire, and that's enough for that side because now it's spilling over into the other side. Okay, let's do that again. I want to start this side with the sapphire and some permanent violet because we only got one shot of it in the other side. And now some gold and some pistachio. Sapphire and the Prussian blue. Okay, I'm going to put another shot of pistachio in there. And now I'm going to put some permanent violet on the top. And we're going to put a little bit more gold on there. I think I want to put a little bit of pistachio there too. Okay, so now our cup is nice and full. Whew, I'm excited about this one. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I am, my love. I am indeed.
Okay, so I have not primed it or anything, but the wood is not completely smooth. I mean, it's been sanded, obviously, but it's got some texture to it. So I'm fairly confident that the paint is going to stick to it nicely. Okay, so the plan is to pour on top of the mandala in ribbons, and we'll see how that goes. So here we go. Let's do this. Are you ready, darling?
I am indeed.
Okay, here we go. Let's start over here. And I am going to try to make sure everything is covered, because I don't know how tiltable this part is going to be. Okay, so that's most of the mandala covered. That's good. bit of it's actually, the cup's almost empty. So I'm going to fill this up one more time, just a little bit on both sides, because I want to pour on this part too. That's looking really cool though. That worked a lot better than I had expected. Thank you, Lee, for doing a couple of mandalas before. I see one spot there that's not covered. Okay, so that's one side. Some sapphire in the bottom there. Pearl with pistachio. Primary violet. Gold. Prussian. Again. Let's put some pistachio on top of that side too. Okay. Here we go. Let's start over here. I seem to like the ribbon coming out better when it goes this way. I think that's going to all fall off anyhow, but that's okay. So that's looking pretty awesome. And now I guess is the moment of truth. Is this edge all covered, honey? Or not? In front of it. Good now? Okay. Alright, so let's lift this up. I'm just making sure he is covered everywhere. I love turtles. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Yay! Really cool. Okay, just gonna kind of tilt it a minute and let some of this extra.
Should I get you something to put underneath it?
No, it's alright. Oh, it looks really cool. And see, this one, there was strategy in choosing this. I specifically wanted something that had thicker lines in the mandala so that the paint could actually stick to it rather than just all falling off of it right off the bat. Okay, so that's cool. I'm going to put him over there. I see a bare spot. How is there still a bare spot? All that paint. Okay, so this gobbledygook, I don't know. Let's see if we can't do something with it. Almost reminds me of that colander pour. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of purple in here. A little bit of gold. Some Prussian Blue. Pistachio. And the Sapphire. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to do anything other than become mud, so I am pouring paint in the cup because I don't like painting with mud. You guys know that. Okay. Plus the cup is fun to play with, so. So it's interesting seeing the different effects from having the different numbers of chambers in there. This is one of the things that I like about pouring, is that there's so many different variations and possibilities. And this cup is really cool. So thank you, Mixed Media Girl, for a really neat product. It's awesome. Okay. Put a little bit of pistachio on top of there. All right, let's see if we can't tilt this a little bit to spread this a little bit. And if it doesn't, oh, that's good. It's moving still. So I'm just using this as sort of a base coat now. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and paint and Floetrol today. slide on. This is the part we're going to tilt down anyhow, so. I don't know if we're going to make it to the bottom. And I am impatient and we're getting sun.
Apollo's still pissed about Scorpio, that's why.
That's funny right there. Okay. I'll let that slide down. Cover our sides and edges. This is the last little bit, and then we're going to pour this other cup. That's pretty good. Okay, so now we have a nice smooth base at least. Let's pour this other cup and see how it goes. Right. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I am indeed, my love.
We're just going to kind of do some ribbons. Okay, let's tilt that out. And see where this goes. Get off that corner there. Off that corner there. And then off that bottom edge. Because that would be a ribbon pour. Now that's pretty cool looking. Take it down this way a little bit. I'll wipe my hands off and we're going to pop some bubbles. And I think we're going to be done. That's pretty. I like it. Okay. I'm trying not to get paint all over my torch is why I keep wiping my hands. Alright. Okay. So, turtle is looking awesome. I'm very happy with that. I actually really like this piece too. I still feel like there's a little bit too much paint on there. So I'm just going to turn it around. I'm going to see if we can't get a little bit of this side to float down a little bit more. And the paint is still moving pretty fast, so there's enough down there to tilt some off. Okay. Let me go back the other way one more time. I don't want to leave too much paint on the canvas because I don't want to risk it cracking. And if your paint is moving really fast, then you have too much paint on there. Okay. I really love that sapphire with the permanent violet. It's so pretty. And the gold. And just a little bit of Prussian blue peeking through here and there. I think we're probably good now. Bring that back to center just a touch. Seems like we got all our purple up there on the top. And then this half is pistachio and the... Is it getting glare now? It's still moving kind of fast, so... Just let it redistribute the weight. I think we're going to lose some of that at the bottom, but such is life, my friends. Okay, yeah, see, there's still a lot of paint on there that's coming off now. That's awesome. I think we're good now. I think we're good now. All right, so that was a lot of fun. I do like that split cup. That was really cool. With the split cups, rinse them out as soon as humanly possible. Like dunk it in a bucket of water and scrub it. You can use those little bottle brush thingies, are awesome too. But this turned out awesome. I love how that turtle turned out. He's really, really cool. I love the mandala. And so that was really great. The fact that the pieces of the wood in there is not cut super, super thin, actually left room for the paint to show on there. So I think that worked out very, very well. I'm very pleased with that. Okay, you guys, thank you for hanging out with us this morning. I will show you these when they're dry. Hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon. Okay, so this is a couple of days later now. This is our turtle. He turned out so cool. I really love this. Just absolutely beautiful stuff going on in here. Really, really pretty with that ribbon pour and the sapphire and the Prussian blue. Let's see if we can get it closer. I really like these lines over here. And I love the mandala on this. It's so pretty. And then of course we get up into the more ribbony parts. Really beautiful. We did actually do a little bit of a ring pour, which you still see tiny bits of on the head. Almost looks like an eye. But this turned out really cool. I really like this piece. I am going to hang him up in my studio, unless my daughter claims him, which she might because she loves turtles. So this one was really, really fun. I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. It only took a few days to dry. I have not put any spray varnish on it yet, but I will, just to protect it in case it is exposed to the elements, something with a UV resistance and archival properties. And I think it turned out pretty awesome. Okay, so this is the 20 by 20 that we used underneath the turtle as we poured on it. And I used those initial colors as the base coat, flow extender, and then we poured this cup in a ribbon cup on there. That turned out pretty cool. It's got the 24 karat gold blinging, that beautiful sapphire, pistachio. Almost looks pistachio, even though I did mix it much more concentrated this time. There's some permanent violet in there and some Prussian blue. So pretty cool stuff. I really like this one. I like that corner. I like all of it actually. Very neat piece. So this was really cool. And there's Miss Ming Ming being cute for you guys. Ming Ming and Zen wish you all very happy holidays too. Thank you, Mingy. Drive-by catting in progress. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being with us. We will see you for the next one. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.